So I'm going to walk through what I did for my 99 Ranger to diagnose and fix the turn signals. They stopped blinking, and it was a slow thing where the left and the right, I would turn the signal on and it would blink for a few seconds and then stop. And it happened with the right side too. Well, now it doesn't blink at all. Interesting is that the hazard flasher still works. I know that the flasher relay is the same container, same relay, one and the same, that works the hazard and the turn signal indicator. So, you know, my first thought is the fuse. So that's the first thing I do, is check the fuses. For my 99 Ranger, fuse box right here on the driver's side, and you can pop this guy off. And the two you want to look at is number 3 and number 7, 7.5 amp, and we'll check those guys out. There's a handy tool, at least my Ford has it, down in here to reach up there, and you can pull those guys out. Once you get it out, let's see if I can do this. You want to look to see that filament, there's no breaks in that filament, no cracks. And this one looks good, and I already checked the number 7, it looked good too. So next thing is to look at the flasher relay. The flasher relay is actually down here below on the back side of the driver's side panel here. I've seen some videos online talking about taking this off, and then there's a metal plate to take off. I found that I could actually take out that flasher without doing that, which I like the idea of, but you got to be able to turn yourself upside down and get down in here and get a couple of screwdrivers. I'll see if I can't video what this looks like. So I went ahead, I took the flasher out and the relay, and yep, that was the deal. I went and got a Motorcraft made for Ford. I got that and online at Amazon, and I think it cost about $32. And so here's what it looks like, and it's gonna sit right up in there, right about like this. That's the pin formation. And you can see in the bottom here, it's got these little tracks that it's going to slip onto a something that's up inside there, and it'll slip on like this, and then you can put the plug in here, and it has a catch right there. Getting it off is a little bit of a booger. You probably want to use 2 screwdrivers is what I did, and I'll show you what it looks like here. I'm going to take the camera and bring it right around here so you can kind of see the flash relay. And it's going to be right up in here, and let's see if I can turn around and show it to you. Right there, that's it. Now I just changed mine out. It was yellow, this one came in blue. It's a Motorcraft, and but it slides right on here. To take that off, I'm just going to push it towards the driver's door, and that'll slide off that plastic thing that's on. You don't have to bust these guys to get it out. You can just slide it out, unhook the harness with a couple of screwdrivers. It takes a little bit, but you can get it. And then you can check it while it's out. You can plug in the new one, and off you go. Let's see if she works. Looks like left side works. Right side works. Flasher is still working, just to make sure. Yep. All right, there you go.